So friends, let's start with today's delicious as well as healthy waffles recipe. Now for the waffles, I've taken about 2 cups of whole wheat flour. You can also use plain flour. This is 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a little salt to taste, 2 eggs which I've just beaten up well, 2 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a large bowl, and of course a waffle maker. These are easily available on Amazon and they're not very pricey either. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients into the large bowl and I'm going to whisk it really well. And I'm going to mix the wet ingredients in the bowl in which I have beaten up the eggs. Now you can substitute the butter with some clarified butter or ghee. So I'm going to mix in all of the wet ingredients really well. And now I'm going to add the wet ingredients a little at a time to the dry ingredients. And again, we're going to whisk this really to a very, really well to a very smooth batter. There shouldn't be any lumps in the batter. So whisk this really well. Now we're going to set this batter aside for about 10 minutes. It should be really nice and thick like a pancake batter. Now every waffle maker is different, so read the instructions as to how you need to preheat the waffle maker. Now I'm just going to lightly brush this with some butter. Like I said, you can substitute the butter for clarified butter or ghee or even olive oil. And I'm going to put a ladle full of the batter into the waffle maker. Close up the waffle maker and as per the instructions, cook the waffles on one side till they're nice and golden brown. Then I'm going to brush it again with a little bit of butter on the top, turn it over and again, cook it on the other side till they're nice and golden brown. Now once they're done, I'm going to take them out and put them on my plate and put in the next batch, depending on how many waffles you want to make. And then I'm just going to drizzle some lovely maple syrup. You can also use some pancake syrup. Top them with some lovely sliced bananas or strawberries or whatever fruits you have in your kitchen. And I'm going to sprinkle it with some choco chips which I have at hand and some frozen berries. And there you have a lovely breakfast or a lovely snack ready. So I hope you try out this recipe, guys. It's super delicious and really very easy